So the question is, am I entitled to my spouse's retirement assets? And the answer is yes, you are. From the date of the marriage, which is when you were married, civil or religious ceremony, to the date of the filing of the complaint for divorce. Anything acquired during that time is going to be an asset that you are entitled to. The retirement assets, if they're acquired during the marriage, you're entitled to it. But let's say your spouse was working for 20 years before you guys got together, and that spouse has a large 401k from another company. You're not entitled to that. You're not going to get a distribution of that. That's the first step. If that spouse uses the 401k from before the marriage for the marriage, then that spouse may make that asset part of the marital pot. But the general rule is it's a retirement asset. It's earned during the marriage. There's going to be a distribution of it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward stuff. The worst case scenarios are, I have found that teachers and firemen and police and law enforcement and stuff, these retirement assets for these individuals are years in the making. And oftentimes those individuals have a real difficult time in splitting that asset and determining that their spouse is entitled to 50% or some share of it. General rule of thumb, retirement assets earned during the marriage, it's going to be part of the marital pot, and it's going to be an entitlement to your spouse to get a piece of that.